Hello there! It's me with another demonstration of cs50w project. This time it's called Network. And you're now seeing the index page, which contains posts made by users. Let's see how to create a new post. There is a card UI element which contains input field. If we type here some text, it will allow us to make a post with this button. It instantly appears on the top of all other posts. And now if we take a look on each post here, it contains the user who made the post, when it was made, the edit button, if the logged in user is actually who created the post. And also it has, of course, the text of the post, number of likes, and ability to make a like. We can also see all posts created by the certain user. Let's check Richard, for example. He has 4 posts made. This is called the profile page. It contains the number of followers and number of following the user has. And also there is the ability to follow and unfollow this user for all people which are not that user. And Richard himself cannot follow or unfollow himself. So I can follow Richard. And now it displays he has 2 followers, which includes me. And this leads us to the next page called Following. In the following, we see all posts made by users which we're following. For the sake of demonstration, let's add another user. Now we have Richard and Adam that we're following. The next thing we're going to discuss is the pagination thing. On any page which displays post, we're only showing 10 posts per page. And at the bottom of each page, we have a navigation here, which allows us to go from page to page. It will also generate next or previous page buttons if there is such page. Our next great ability is to edit posts. When we see at any page our posts, there is a button Edit on it. If we click this button, we're now allowed to enter a new text to it. Notice that the Save button appeared. But if we will try to save it without actually making any changes in the text, it will throw an error, no changes to save. There is also an option to not doing anything at all. Just pressing the cancel button will return the original text and remove the ability to change it. And for the last thing here is a like button. If we are logged in, we can like any post. The gray heart says it's not liked by the user yet. If we click on this button, 3 things happened. First is the animation of these bubbles coming out from the heart. It's made with JavaScript. The second is the heart now filled with a red color. And the third, that numbers of likes on the post is augmented by 1. If we do remove our like, it's now diminished by 1. The number is instantly changed, but we can refresh the page to see if those changes were actually reflected in the database. So, here how it goes. Thank you for your time and goodbye.